Look at this guy. Just 6 months ago, he looked completely average. Today, he looks like a model. Now you're probably thinking, he just got lucky with genetics. But you'd be wrong. His genetics never changed. He just stopped hiding the potential he already had. Today, I'll show you the 4 changes that transformed his appearance and how you can do the same. Number 1. Reveal your face. Have you ever looked at someone's before and after transformation and wondered, how did his face change so much? It didn't. What changed was everything around it. People don't judge individual facial features. They judge the entire picture. That's why someone can go from looking completely average to looking like a model without changing a single facial bone. They're not building a new face. They're revealing the one that was already there. If you're carrying too much body fat, the definition that makes attractive faces stand out starts to disappear, and everything starts blending together. But being too skinny has its own problem. Without enough muscle, your face loses the structure that makes it stand out. You don't look sharper, you just look smaller. And that's where most guys go wrong. They think they need to get huge or as lean as possible. You don't. You just need to look fit. That's where most faces look their best. You're not trying to build an attractive face, you're trying to stop hiding it. So, whether that means losing body fat or building muscle, the goal is exactly the same. Let your face do the talking. And once you've revealed your face, the next step is balancing it. Number 2. Balance your face. One of the biggest mistakes guys make is copying the hairstyle of someone they think looks attractive. And that's exactly why they end up looking worse. Think about it. The same buzz cut can make one guy look like a model and make another guy look completely average. The haircut didn't change. The face it was sitting on did. That's because your hairstyle only has one job, balancing your face. The best-looking guys don't all have the same haircut. They have the haircut that suits their face. So stop asking, what's the best hairstyle? Start asking, what's the best hairstyle for my face? The easiest place to start is figuring out your face shape. From there, experiment. You'll figure out pretty quickly which hairstyles make your face look more balanced and which ones don't. Don't copy someone else's hairstyle, because the best hairstyle isn't the trendiest one. It's the one that makes your face look its best. Number 3. Protect your face. Think about a brand new Rolls Royce. Leave it covered in dust and dirt, and suddenly, it doesn't look nearly as impressive. Wash it, polish it. It's the exact same car, yet everyone notices it again. The car didn't change. The way it was presented did. Your skin works the same way. There's a reason almost every male model has healthy-looking skin. Not because flawless skin is the beauty standard, but because healthy skin makes every face look better. That's why skincare isn't about changing your face. It's about protecting it. And the good news is, you don't need a complicated routine. Just cover the basics. Cleanse, moisturize, wear sunscreen. Then let good sleep and healthy habits do the rest. Don't chase a 15-step skincare routine. Protect what you already have. Number 4. Refine your face. Most guys think attractive people have one incredible feature: a perfect jawline, great eyes, or flawless skin. But that's almost never what you're actually noticing. What you're really noticing is that they don't look neglected. Their teeth are clean, their lips aren't dry, their eyebrows are groomed, their facial hair suits their face, and their clothes fit. None of those things will transform you on their own, but together, they completely change the way people see you. That's because attractiveness isn't built by one huge improvement. It's built by removing one distraction after another. Every small detail makes your best features easier to notice. And that's what this entire video has been about. You didn't need a different face. You just needed to reveal it, balance it, protect it, and finally, refine it. You were never as average as you thought. You were just unoptimized. So, if you want to keep optimizing, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.